What's up guys? So today's video is going to be another organization slash collection video, and this one's going to be on my jewelry. So I basically just do the top of my drawer here. That's where I keep the display area of my jewelry, and then in this IKEA Alex drawer I only use that top one for jewelry. The rest of them are all makeup. Those I included in another video, which was my makeup slash collection, well, my makeup organization slash collection video. So I will link that in the bottom bar if you want to see my makeup collection. But for now, let's go on and start with my jewelry. So as I said, on top of this drawer, dresser, whatever you want to call it, I just have my little display area. I just have this little vase here with some dried flowers that my dad gave me, so I have those there. So in front of the vase I have this little crystal ball thing, which I got from 99-cent store for like $4 or something like that. And here I just keep all of my bangles. So I'm not gonna go through them like I said, but those are my bangles. I usually get all of those like in sets from like Forever 21 and little boutique stores that I get my clothes from. I just have this cute little Easter basket that I made just for a little display with some goodies in there. And then in back of there I have my little tea rack holder. Here I just have like these type of like handmade bracelets. I get them from like the fairs, and then some people, like family members, have given me some when they go to like Mexico. And these are from El Salvador. And then these are I like a bunch of anklets that I got for like $1, again at like local boutiques or at Forever 21. These are from Guess. And then this little thing here is just like a here, let me show you. It's just like a little bracelet. It's already missing one of the diamonds, I believe. Yeah, see, so it's like missing that one. And this was $1, also at a little fashion boutique. This is from Guess. These are like the ones that you open, like you open it from there and then clap it on. And then this one is from Nordstrom. This also Guess, Nordstrom. These two are from downtown LA in Chinatown. They were like $3 each. And then these are, it's like a rose gold and a silver one, and those are from where? Juicy Couture. And well, they're by Juicy Couture, and I got them at Nordstrom a long time ago. And then here I have this ring holder. I mean, I guess you can use it for earrings, but I use it for my rings. You just open it, and then this is like plastic, this part, and then the inside's like soft velvety. And I just put all of my rings there. I'll just kind of go through it so you guys can see it. Yeah. And then all these rings are like, again, from either Guess. I used to work there for like 5 years. It was like my second job out of high school, so a lot of them are from there, and then the rest of them are again from Forever 21, local boutiques, and downtown LA as well, because I do go shopping at the alleys, which they have a lot of good stuff. If you haven't gone, you're missing out. And then on the bottom here of this, I just have a few of my Guess catalogs. Again, I got all of these when I used to work at Guess, and I used to love getting these. They would give them to the customers, but I would always ask my manager if I can take one, because I like to have them for like outfit inspiration and stuff like that. And then these two, it's a set of 2 different drawers, and each one has 2. And then on top of that I just have this little holder thing, and then in here I just put some of my hoops that I use, that I'm like currently using. On top of this is just a little plate where I have some smaller earrings. So in the first drawer I just have my earrings. It's a mixture of all kinds. This is a bracelet, but I don't want to put it away because I want to use it. So it's like right in the front. It'll remind me that I want to use it. And then all of these again are just earrings and a few bracelets. These are just more necklaces. This is a Guess one. This one's Forever 21. Mostly all of these I keep in like Ziploc bags on their own because I don't want them to get like ugly, so that protects them. And all of these are pretty much from Guess. Again, I used to work there for 5 years, so I have a lot of Guess stuff. And obviously I got like a huge discount, so that's why I have a lot. The third one has all like my pearlish necklaces. A few of them from Guess again. Some of them are from like what's it called, that store in New York and Company. Some from Forever. This one actually my grandma gave me, so that one is that. And then the last one just has like my few bigger pieces, like this big one with a bunch of red flowers. These are huge. I like to use these as like staple necklaces when I have like a say like a simple plain shirt, and this will dress it up really quick. Here on top I just have a little tray that I bought at here in LA. I don't know where else, but there's a store called Daiso Japan, and everything should be $1.50. Nowadays a lot of shit in there is like higher priced, but I got this for $1.50. This little thing that matches perfectly pretty much I got from Homegoods. And in here I just have like some of my belly rings. I used to really be into changing my belly ring, now not so much. And then on top of here I just have the 4 watches that I currently switch out, that I'm using now. So this one is a rose gold Michael Kors, which was a gift. This one I got from Guess when I was working there again. This one's from Guess, and this one as well. It's just like the white rubber band sport kind. And that is all that is on top of here, you guys. Again, on top of the Alex drawer, you go to the first one, and this is the only one that I have with my jewelry. Alright guys, so right here when you open it up, there's a bunch of these like compartment containers, and all of the, I have 6 of them I believe, and then there's 3 here and then 3 here. I'll just quickly kind of go through it. So these I feel like are perfect for jewelry. If you see here, like it fits perfectly for like earrings and necklaces, and obviously so you just open the lid and you have your stuff. These were in a pair of 2 each, and I got these at, I believe it was Homegoods, and it was probably like $5.99 or something like that, or $6.99, no more than $6.99. Then I got these again at Homegoods, and it has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 compartments. So here I just have like a few studs from Guess. These are all like different, Forever 21. Some more, this is like a little Mickey Mouse Disney charmed bracelet. These are earrings that were gifted to me. These are my favorites. And then these are more like fancy ones here. And then the second one just has a few necklaces. So this is just like a little fake diamond from Guess. This is a Guess one, Guess. My mom gave me that one. These are from like local boutiques, Forever 21, and my mom gave me that one as well. And then the one on the bottom is completely empty, so I have room for more. And then going to the next one. This has a lot of new stuff because I just went to Walmart and I got a few of these Easter things that they had. I thought they were really cute, like really festive. I wore these in my Easter makeup tutorial that I just did, which is up on my channel as well. So if you want to go look for that one on my channel. These are just little eggs. They're so cute. And then these are just like some pretty pastel hoops. And this one here is a pretty cross necklace. This one is a Easter charm. You can see it's really cute. And this is another like little cross bracelet, a necklace, a pretty butterfly necklace. This one right here is probably one of my favorite dainty ones. If you know me, then you know what this represents, and it's like one of the ones that I hold dearest to my heart, so that one is my favorite. And then here are just more of my little smaller hoops. And then on the second one, on this one, I just have more necklaces. And like I said, I'm not going to go through all of them, guys, so you can just kind of get the idea of how I store my jewelry. And then on the last one, I have more of the heavier necklaces. So I'll just kind of show you how they are stored. And that is it for those, you guys. So let's put these back. And then right here on the side, I just have like this guest bag. Oh, it's another watch, but I need to, it's a smaller one. Here, I'll take it out. The battery is out on that one, so I need to fix it. And it's just like the smaller kind. I actually bought this one for myself for my birthday like 2 years ago. And then that same time that I bought the watch, my mom bought me this pretty little charmed bracelet, also from Guess, for my birthday. And here I just have, like I said, a lot of my stuff is from Claire's, so here's just like a few new ones. This is just like a new anklet bracelet. And then back here is really not important, you guys, to be honest, because it's just like stuff. Well, the ones right here I do use, so these are just some of my favorite hoops. Those don't fit in this compartment, so I keep it in the little box that they came in. And then this was just a cute little purchase. It's like a, let me open it. I bought it at Downtown Disney. And it's just like a Belle, which Belle is my favorite Disney character since I could remember. And it comes with a necklace. Hold on. It comes with a necklace and a cute ring. You guys, this is adorable. Like, what? I had to get it. It's just so cute. And then all the way in the back, like I said, I just have like bracelets that I keep in their boxes. Like this one right here. It's like, these are two of my chunky bracelets. So this one is from Victoria's Secret, and my aunt gave me that a few years ago. And then the one down here is a Juicy Couture that I bought for myself years ago. And then back there is just really stuff that are like double, that I bought like double of, and I don't, obviously I have like the one I use out, and then those are just like new stuff. So I keep them back there because I obviously don't have to reach for them. I just keep what I use on a day-to-day up front. And that is it, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you guys some ideas on how to store your stuff. And again, my stuff, like these again, were from Homegoods. And then these containers I bought from the 99-cent store for like $3 each of 2. And then again, this is from that Daiso Japan store, Homegoods. Oh, this one, the ring holder, is from Amazon. The tea rack, I think I had gotten it from the Container Store. This base was from HomeGoods. No, you know what? I'm lying. That's from Michael's. And then this is again from the 99-cent store, which was for like $4 or $5. And then these two, like this little tray and this one, I got from Five Below. And yeah, guys, so again, hope you guys enjoyed and got some ideas of how to like display and store your stuff. If you guys liked it and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe to my channel, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.